Another video, and today we're playing Gunfight Arena. Now, this wasn't suggested in the comment section, but I do need something else to record for content. And I thought it would be a pretty good idea because the round matches are 12 minutes long. And 2 of these rounds is about 24 minutes, or 22 minutes, depending on how you look at it. And you know, I'm pretty good at this game, so might as well record. Without further ado, I'm going to be recording this kind of game further on in the future. For any more games that you would like to see recorded, go ahead and leave a comment. Drop shot. Without that, we are on. It's pre-fire time, baby. Pre-fire that corner, pre-fire that corner, pre-fire that corner. Yeah, you got cooked. Next to your turn, you got cooked. Oh, she cooked you. Alright, I see. Now, we have people outside our base camping like this. It's not fun. We don't want it. 2 minutes, 54 kills in. Nice. Now, I did not start fully in this match. I started 8 minutes in the match with 0 kills. But this is how it's turning out with only 8 minutes, 50 kills. I think I could get a whole 100 kills and unlock the nuke if I had the whole 12-minute duration. Don't worry, YouTube, they are not dead. They are just taking very well-rested naps. Alright. And for those of you who see my camera drag to one side, that is the aim assist. It really doesn't help. You have to center it when you're killing. I'll move around, and then as soon as I come across an enemy, it'll gotta get close enough for it to work. But it'll aim assist. See there, hold the camera. I still have to get this little crosshair reticle on there. I'm getting lit up. Time to lock in, guys. Time to lock in. Time to lock in. If people are texting me. That's really blocking my view. Just friends, guys. You know a YouTuber like me. Alright, now I take that one personal. Now y'all ready to brawl. Come on now. Oh yeah, y'all ready to fuck Hey, motherfucker. Usually these gaming session moments are filled with choice words. I'm gonna have to cut down on that because I am on YouTube. I want last to absolutely There's a guy with 54. I don't know where he went. I've been playing with this shaft. Oh, lag? I think so. Alright. Up the ladder, up the ladder, up the ladder, up the... Oh, I could've got... Oh, where'd that... Oh. Don't tell me I'm trapped. I better not be trapped. Alright, somebody's up here, and we gon' bank the corner. Swiss cheese. Fall. Swiss cheese. Over here. Swiss cheese. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, we did it! Alright, guys, that is first place, 82 kills. If I would have gotten 20 more kills within that 8 minutes, which technically I can get 100 kills if I have full 12 minutes, because in 8 minutes I got 82 kills. So that means I can get the full 100 kills and run a nuke. Comment which map is your favorite. I personally like the ruins, or maybe not. Oh, I'll make fast enough. I want that. And now we're gonna start off by ooh, this map. I've played this map. I've seen it more, but starting off strong with all those kills that I just acquired. Like, whoa, 4 kills right off the bat is actually kind of insane. Like, I just dropped a couple of fools. I didn't even get the drop kill on him. Bully my team, see what happened. Yeah, you gonna learn. Up here. Go so steady running away. I feel like these guys are NPCs. I'm not gonna lie, but they do manage to get the kill off on me sometimes. And see, just like that. Like NPCs with smart AI, I can get that. I can get behind it like that. Because I've walked up straight up to these guys and they don't do anything until you really start firing. Because if you walk up behind them, they don't do anything. They just don't. Like, look. I mean, until you shoot at one of them, I think that's when all of them react. And then they're scat. Jeez, where did they go? And then again, Roblox is an bot game, so therefore it could be really just be players. I've had it happen to me where I've been snuck up on, so it just may be that way. And then we got camper right here. Oops, almost unloaded into the wrong person. My whole clip gone. What you talking about? What you talking about? Wrong person. Man, nobody's the wrong person. Not unless they on the opposite. Or unless they ain't. Alright, so there's you. And then there's you. And then get out of my way, I don't care. Come on, man. People need to stop texting me while I'm recording. It's kind of embarrassing me. Not them so much, but just me. Ooh, dropped a 3 kill. Jump it. I get that. Nope. Lesson learned. I'm going to the enemy base. Just fish them out. Like this. Ooh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Bro disappeared. I don't know. Problem. The enemy base has switched sides. I have to hide behind this now. Whoa, whoa. Hey, bud. Oh, he's peeking, so he must be real. Yeah, you're cooked. You're cooked. As soon as Diablo gets his eyes on you, you're cooked. Yeah, no peeking. I said no peeking. Oh, that's what it was, my sprint button. Look how much faster I am, chaps. Ooh, I'm going to go away. Ew, hold my... I had 3 health. I looked at it down on the bottom. Seen numero uno tres. Numero 1. Alright, hop this. Ooh, jump it. Nope, that's the enemy base. Can't go that way anymore. Alright, I'm tired of getting shot. Come on, where y'all at? At least I got him, you know what I'm saying? Like, somebody like that just doesn't need to be messed with. Heavy gunfire. I took one down. I'm getting lit up. Yeah. We're at 33 kills with 7 minutes left. That is better than where I started from. Drop a shield. Never mind. They got to me before I could drop it. But there's a problem here now, is that I'm getting camped. And these guys are actually better than me. Which, that's a sign, hey, get good, bro. And you may be right. But, I mean, what's good if you can't? Oh, well, isn't that something? I'm out of ammo. I'll just run with these guys for a bit, you know what I'm saying? Why did my gun not reload? I clicked the reload button. What's up, fellas? See, I don't think they're real. I think that. Okay, let me be quick on that. There we go. Woohoo! Let's go. 45 kills. 47? Oh, 46. Oh, here's one. Here's two. Okay, so the switching spawn has switched again. And Mr. Bat over here is going to... Hello, kind sir. Just free fire, that's all I gotta do, free fire. Come on, they got the kill on me. Good job, blue team. Now, I am competing with somebody now, but there is 33 kills. Never mind. I would have had him too. Spawn camping really good, really good. Ugh. My brain is so fried, I'm starting my language. I don't really need to stop with this spawn camping funny business, because it's not funny no more. Oi, how you doing, ma? You're not taking any kills from me. Ooh, I could have hid behind that corner. There's a little sneaky. Alright, who shot me? Now you getting it. Just running across everybody I see. You know, you can only take so much for your fold, bud. And I'm trying. No. I killed myself. Would you look at that? Okay, and there's the spawn camera. Nice, caught him, clean. Alright. Ooh, nice reflexes, Kinda also have that camera pulled to thank because of that. Let me pop one of these. Ooh, popped a 3. We have 63 kills. Ooh, 30, way a different number than I had. Yeah, we hit. Okay, I'm gonna kill myself by grenading. I can't keep doing that. Jeez, how do I not die? Am I like... I'm gonna be invincible. Alright, who is using a laser gun? Come on now, I don't have Roblox. I don't have that by mine. I don't have my money. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta have that money before you can play with the laser gun. Hey, chill, homie, chill. Hey, I got 69 kills. Hey, that's the funny number. Other than 34. Motherfucker said 34. Bro, chill. Let me wipe out your whole squad, bro. Drop the shield. Yes, sir. Bro, that's crazy. He is literally landing on my fucking blade. Alright, now, who is using a laser for this? This is some diabolical ad, bro. Give me my kills. I need them so I can drop a nuke. I got 2 minutes left to make bank. And you motherfuckers ain't giving me my kills I need. There we go. 2 kills. Tupac. What? Tupac, what? Oh, I'm out. Hey, Mike, it's not fun, eh? Well, I guess it is fun, eh? You know, you're not supposed to pick on the lad when he ain't got no ammo. When a lad ain't got no ammo, you ain't supposed to keep. And you're being caught pussy. You know what I'm saying? Alright, who dropped an orbital detonator? No, that's not. I'm getting it because that definitely does. I'm not stealing my kill, dude. You understand there? You're yo, bud. You're kind of good. I mean, it's not my fault these motherfuckers want to come up in here, but you just gotta run behind people. That's all it is. I got 1 minute and 82 kills. Now, I do have picture-proof evidence that I have dropped bomb. There is bomb. I just need 17 kills left. 16. Yeah, 15. I don't think. I hope I can. Please. Let me get 15 kills. We just need to aimlessly stop aimlessly. Here's everybody I needed. Here's everybody I was talking to early, and I died. Wow. Highest streak. How many is that? That's one of your Roblox friends. Green. Better while playing one of Roblox's many games they like to do after a big game. Like Lethal Company or something. They make copies of that game. And they want to call it a really good game. At least we got first place, guys, right? That's all we got to aspire to. Now, when I first started, first place was so hard to get. I'll tell you. But now it's just a matter of can I drop a Duke in enough time. Alright, that'll be it for today's video, guys. See y'all next time.